Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Apple's latest desktop operating system, macOS Tahoe. Announced at WWDC 2025. Tahoe is a big deal, not just for its new features, because it makes a significant turning point for many Mac users. We are going to break down everything you need to know. The official system requirements, which dGPU are eligible for these updates, which ones are being left behind, and what this all means for Hackintosh community. Let's get into it. You are hitting a crucial point with macOS Tahoe. As the latest major macOS release for Intel Macs, the discrete GPU dGPU support primarily is focused on graphics cards that Apple officially shipped or supported in those machines. Here's a breakdown of what it means for AMD, Nvidia, and other considerations. Officially, dGPU support in macOS Tahoe is for Intel Macs. Apple's official support for dGPUs in macOS has heavily favored AMD Radeon cards for a number of years. This is because Apple exclusively used AMD GPUs in its Intel-based Macs that features a discrete graphics cards. For macOS Tahoe, the supported discrete GPUs will largely be those that came with the eligible Intel Mac models. AMD Radeon Pro W series, Mac Pro 2019. This is a flagship Intel Mac with expansive dGPU options. It officially supported and will continue to support a range of AMD Radeon Pro AMPX modules. This includes cards like AMD Radeon Pro 580X, AMD Radeon Pro W5500X, AMD Radeon Pro W5700X, AMD Radeon Pro W6600X, AMD Radeon Pro W6800X, AMD Radeon Pro W6900X, AMD Radeon Pro W6800X Duo, AMD Radeon Pro Vega 2, AMD Radeon Pro Vega 2 Duo, MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019. This model comes with built-in AMD Radeon Pro GPUs such as AMD Radeon Pro 5300M, AMD Radeon Pro 5500M, AMD Radeon Pro 5600M, iMac 2020. Similarly, 27-inch iMac Palm 2020 featured integrated AMD Radeon Pro GPUs, AMD Radeon Pro 5300, AMD Radeon Pro 5500XT, AMD Radeon Pro 5700, AMD Radeon Pro 5700XT. Nvidia. Official support for Nvidia dGPUs essentially ended with the macOS Mojave 10.14. Apple stopped providing Nvidia drivers with newer Nvidia cards, Pascal and beyond, largely incompatible with official macOS updates, while the older Nvidia cards, capable stories like GTX 680, Quadro K5000 were supported by macOS up to High Sierra Mojave. They were highly unlikely to be officially supported or perform well with the macOS Tahoe. The architecture is simply too old, and Apple moved on. Integrated graphics iGPU. For Intel Macs, they rely on integrated graphics. That is something that is some MacBook Air, Mac Mini models. The support comes from Intel processor itself. As macOS Tahoe focused on Intel Macs with 9th Gen, Copy Lake, and later processors, their integrated graphics, that is Intel Iris Plus graphics, would be implicitly supported if the Mac model is eligible. Hackintosh considerations for dGPU support in Tahoe. This is where things get more complex and depend heavily on community efforts. AMD Hackintosh. For Hackintoshes, AMD cards have historically been preferred choice due to Apple's native driver support, RDNA 1, 2, and potentially 3, RX 5000, RX 6000 stories, and newer RX 7000 stories. Many of these cards can be made to work on Hackintoshes running Tahoe with the right open core configurations. Kicks like whatever green and patches, the community works tirelessly to enable this. However, there can be quirks such as issues with display outputs, hardware acceleration, or specific features. There's a report that some AMD Polaris cards, RX 400, RX 500 series, were encountering issues with macOS Tahoe Beta 1 for Hackintosh users. So there is an area where community fixes are essential. Newer AMD cards or X7000 series would require a significant community effort for driver implementation if Apple doesn't provide new native drivers, which is highly unlikely given the shift to Apple Silicon. Nvidia Hackintosh. As mentioned, official Nvidia support is gone. For Hackintoshes, Nvidia cards beyond the Kepler series, there is Maxwell, Pascal, Turin, Ampere, Adelop case, are natively supported by macOS. There is no WebDriver support from Nvidia or newer macOS version, while some very specific patches might allow basic display output on some newer Nvidia cards for Hackintoshes. Full hardware acceleration, metal support, and overall stability are generally not possible. This means they're largely unsuitable for many graphics-intensive tasks. The Hackintosh community has largely abandoned newer Nvidia cards for macOS compatibility due to the lack of driver support. Summary for dGPU support. Official Apple Silicon Macs. All graphics are handled by the integrated GPU cores within Apple Silicon chip M1, M2, M3, M4, etc. There is no support for external discrete GPUs in the traditional sense, as the architecture is fundamentally different. The Mac Pro Apple Silicon does not support third-party video cards. Its graphics are entirely provided by the M-series chips. Eligible Intel Macs official. Primarily recent AMD Radeon Pro GPUs that shipped with this models, that is a Mac Pro 2019, 16-inch MacBook Pro 19, MacBook Pro 2019, 27-inch iMac 2020, no Nvidia. Hackintosh Intel, strongest compatibility with AMD Radeon cards, RX 5000, RX 6000 series, and potentially the RX 7000 series with ongoing community development. Nvidia cards from Pascal and newer are generally incompatible for a polyfunctional macOS experience due to the lack of driver support. Key takeaway: as macOS transitions fully to Apple Silicon, the era of whispered dGPU support for Intel Macs, especially for third-party cards like Nvidia, is definitely over. For Hackintosh users, AMD remains the only viable dGPU path. But even that will hit a hard wall when a macOS drops Intel support entire after Tahoe. What are your thoughts on macOS Tahoe compatibility changes? Or are you excited for new features? Or disappointed that your Mac is being left behind? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.